everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the heart of Bangkok at the stunning Mahanakhon building. Just look at this incredible structure as I walk towards it. Before heading in, we took a little break and grabbed some coffee. Alright, now it's time to head inside and see what's everyone been talking about. There's been so much hype around this place, especially about the views and the interactive experience. The entry price ranges from 1200 to 1600 Thai baht depending on which activities you choose to do at the top. Even the lift ride is an experience on its own. The moment the door closes, you are surrounded by the LED screens on all sides, turning the elevator into a moving tunnel of light and emotion as you begin your journey upwards. As soon as we reach at the top, we step out onto the observatory deck and the view is absolutely breathtaking. All around us, we can see the entire city of the Bangkok from every angle, a full 360-degree view far in the distance. We can spot some of the city's most iconic temples, standing tall and proud all around it. One of the most exciting part at the top is the glass skywalk. Yes, it's a thick piece of a glass that stretches out from the building and you can actually walk on it. As you take each step, you can see the straight down beneath your feet and it's both thrill and a little scary, but the view of Bangkok below is unforgettable. There is a beautiful open-air sitting area with a modern lounge-style sofas placed along the glass wall. The whole setup is designed for you to relax and enjoy the view, whether you are with friends or solo. There is even a small cafe and bar at the top, so you can grab some coffee, smoothie, or a chill drink while you sit back and take in the 360-degree skyline of Bangkok. The whole experience becomes even more magical as the sun begins to set. The sky slowly changes color, turning orange, pink, and purple. It lights up the whole city in warm glow. Then one by one, the city lights start to turn on. It feels like the whole skyline is waking up for the night. Now let's explore those amazing interactive rooms. The first one is the mirror room that creates endless reflection, making you feel like you are in a never-ending illusion. Then there's a room where the floor reacts to your step, lighting up with every move you make. In another room, you get to color your own drawings, anything from animals to fun characters, and then watch the magic happen. After you are done, you scan your artwork, and within seconds, it appears on a big digital wall, moving and interactive with the environment around it. It's such a fun and creative experience, almost like bringing your imagination to life right in front of your eyes. We also discovered a room with an interactive wall that reacts to your touch, creating a unique experience. And finally, the most amazing room of all, a space filled with the mirrors and the pillars that display a synchronized animation just like stepping into a whole new world, with all the visuals perfectly synced with the music. Stay tuned for more adventures. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.